A mother gives birth to a healthy baby. But this joyous event takes place on the floor of her home. The umbilical cord is cut with an unclean blade. Deadly tetanus spores found in soil everywhere infect the cord. Within days, the baby suffers painful spasms, preventing even the comfort of a mother's touch. This is the tragedy of tetanus, which kills one baby every 9 minutes. You have a chance to protect those lives and protect that crucial mother-child connection. Just $1.80 provides 3 rounds of life-saving vaccine to protect a woman and her future babies.
Notre Dame High School Key Club is helping Kiwanis International.
We're helping raise $110 million to eliminate maternal and neonatal tetanus.
And we need your help.
Visit theeliminateproject.org.
Protect the connection.
Donate today.